IT services to the vendors where engineers are sitting at home. So I think these are some of the talking points which have surprised market, and that is what is happening. The first rates will now just start kicking in on your screen. It's a sea of green again. It's great news. Alok Industries, Yes Bank, Arcom, Uttam Galva, Vakrangi. So the volume stocks today are largely from the two-digit basket and largely from stocks which are patronized by small traders. What I can see is that Tata Motors is off to the block with a 1 rupee move. There's nothing large in the large cap space which I can identify. Reliance is off to a good start. HDFC Limited, the fundraising is over 1798. So both QIP and HDFC Bank monies come back into the balance sheet. I think that is something which may allay concerns or allay concerns of near-term risk management for both these banks. ICICI Bank is ahead of fundraising, is looking flat. You got a flat start again for Tech Mahindra, which is the 355. In terms of the volume mover today, I think the top draw is HDFC Limited so far. Then you got Bajaj Finance 3200. Autos are reversing marginally, but nothing meaningful really could be called there. Banks are off to a lazy start. Infosys 950 now, and Pharma is showing signs of minor cracks. So far, nothing large or big really can be identified. Now the screen in terms of the top volume names will also start settling down. So let me just navigate back to that screen. I can see there is a large block deal in Jamna Auto. It is an ancillary supplier for the CV industry. I can see there is a minor uptick in Canara Bank, but that's about it. Nothing large, Aisha. Nothing large which can be called as a trend or something which could be called as a large leader or a laggard.
Yeah, absolutely not. The only, smart mover from yesterday is perhaps Naukri or Info Edge erstwhile, 1.5% higher on Naukri as we speak. And remember, this was a big mover yesterday as well. But besides that, directionally, it's a very, simmered market. Yes, the broader markets are outperforming the benchmark indexes. What with the move on a Bosch, on a TVS Motors, Sun TV is a mover as well. Z is holding out, and amongst the big boys, it's actually Bajaj Auto, which is, the leader within the Nifty today. Amara Raja Batteries, Adani Ports, Shree Cement. SAIL is seeing some price action and follow through from yesterday. Remember, metals was the big trade, and in particular steel. Havells as well. A marginally positive start, but let's see early days where it heads. On the flip side, Cadilla is weak, Apollo Hospitals, Muthoot, Mahindra Finance and Apollo Tyres. These are the ones which are seeing some red ticks, and a couple of IT names as well. And HCL Technologies, a Wipro, not a Wipro actually, just an HCL, and Berger Paints to some degree. They are seeing some marginal red ticks. Idea, by the way, is also slated to come out with its numbers today, as is Indian Hotels, Whirlpool, you've got Canfin Homes, and you've got Lupin. All are slated to come out with their numbers. So, yeah, the management commentary on some of these will be quite interesting to look out for.